0.9 z cap. This is the first step what we have to do in case of two-dimensional motion. We have resolved the components. ये तो first step सबसे पहले clear कीजिए why we have done this first step and when we do this step. First of all, make it clear why we have done these. We have done these because acceleration and velocity are in different directions. Before this, we have dealt the question whether acceleration is in this direction, velocity is also in this direction or in opposite direction. Only we are dealing with these cases, means acceleration, distance, displacement or velocity are in the same direction or in opposite direction. But now we have to deal the situation when the velocity and acceleration are in different direction. Have you get the concept? हमने क्यों ऐसा किया ये समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we have to solve the question. See the first part, what is asking the question? Find the velocity. First step, find the velocity. So velocity का formula लिखिए as usual, you know, first part A. The first part A is asks us the velocity. So V is equal to, you know, it is U plus AT and we can write it in vector form AT. And now we have to put the value. U is at t equal to 0, velocity is this, so we can say it is U. आज के लेक्चर का वीडियो सेंड कर देना सर. Okay. U, what is U? U is 8I cap. What is A? A is 1.2 I cap plus 0.9 J cap. I'm not taking units here. As usual, units are in the SI system. And time is 4. So here we have to put 4. And now we have to solve this. It is 8I cap plus, it will be 4.8 I cap and plus 3.6 J cap. Now we have to add I cap. We will get 12.8 I cap plus 3.6 J cap. It is the velocity at t equal to 0, t equal to 4. And if someone wants to find the magnitude, then you know magnitude is equal to V is equal to Vx square, means x component of velocity, and Vy square. Here x component is 12.8 and y component is 3.6. So we must have to make the square. 12.8 square plus 3.6 square. And now you can solve it easily. I'm not going to make the squares. Okay, first of all, you must be very clear about the question, whether you understand the question or not. We have started the topic, that is dimension, and this includes dimension. We will have typical questions of. We will have
your voice is lagging.
Sir, voice is lagging.
एक बार नेटवर्क चेंज कर लेता हूँ बेटे, हो सकता है इसमें आज नेटवर्क कम हो. तो किसका नेटवर्क ज्यादा अच्छा चल रहा है बेटे?
जियो का.
जियो का. मैं तो जियो लगाया हुआ है, वो तो चल नहीं रहा है. आप लोग का लैगिंग है. चलो मैं एक बार
दे रहा हूँ, मेरा सही चल रहा है.
मैं एक बार वोडा लगा,
एयरटेल लगा लो।
क्लियर बेटे, वॉइस इज क्लियर। लेकिन मेरे मोबाइल में साउंड क्लियर आ रही है। इज इट क्लियर बेटे?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Now we have to deal with the next part of this question, and similarly you can deal with the next part using the formula. Just I am going to use the formula as usual. You know, the formula for the position is S vector is equal to ut plus half at square, and just solve it and tell me the answer. Solve कीजिए इसको, जल्दी से आंसर बताइए। Very simple, you can do it, but S is equal to ut. U is 8 I cap and it is multiplied by 4, then it becomes 32 I cap plus half into A.
1.6 I cap plus 7.2 J cap.
Very good. It is 1.2 I cap plus 0.9 J cap and multiplied by 16. You can solve it easily. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now see, I'm just adding one additional question here. And that additional question is, if someone asks what is the instantaneous velocity, what is the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds? Anyone can explain how can you do this question? What is the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds? Anyone can explain? How can we find the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds?
8 meters per second.
8 meters per second. How can you say? No one can explain me how can we calculate the velocity at 2 seconds?
सर एक्सेलरेशन कांस्टेंट इसलिए t की जगह पर ये रख देंगे और सॉल्व कर लेंगे।
What you have done this? ये क्या चीज था? ये जो आपने किया ये क्या चीज था? वेलोसिटी इंस्टेंटेनियस, यही चीजें आप ठीक से ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं। इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी एट t इक्वल टू 4 था और ये यहाँ पे किया हुआ है। You can see it clearly. What you have done here? You have got the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 4. क्या आपको समझ में आया आपने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
यस सर।
तो आप यहीं पे t का वैल्यू अगर 2 रखेंगे तो आपको वेलोसिटी एट 2 मिल जाएगा, and that will be the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2. Is it clear? D पार्ट देखिए, फाइंड द, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन बताने का सीधा मतलब है, मैं आपको पहले ही कह चुका हूं, just we have to deal the topic, not this question. Now find the average. Yes, good. Find the average velocity from t equal to 2 to t equal to 4. ये अगर क्वेश्चन कहता है, what will you do? It's very simple. You have an expression for the displacement. Displacement के लिए आपके पास expression है, तो आप उसमें t पुट करेंगे तो s1 आएगा. And if you will put 4, अगर 2 पुट करेंगे तो s1 आएगा, 4 पुट करेंगे तो s2 आएगा. Are you getting the question? Are you getting the concept? हेलो. गुड. तो आप ये दोनों क्वेश्चन मुझे सॉल्व करके अभी बताइए. जस्ट सॉल्व इट. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू. हाँ, गुड. अजय, मुझे सी और डी का आंसर चाहिए.
सर 10.4 I कैप प्लस 1.8 J कैप सी का है.
सी का है. वेरी गुड.
और सर डी का है 1.2 I कैप प्लस 0.9 J कैप.
आपने s2 माइनस s1 करके उसको 2 से डिवाइड किया.
यस सर.
Good. In this way, we can solve the questions with previous concept. Nothing is there new. Don't take it as the new topic and just we have to learn anything, something extra, and we don't know the formula, so we can't deal the question. ये चीजें आपके दिमाग से हटानी पड़ेगी. जितना ज्यादा फॉर्मूला को आप रिड्यूस करेंगे फिजिक्स में, योर फिजिक्स विल बी मोर इजियर. फॉर्मूला को याद करना मतलब कंफ्यूजन में पड़ना होता है. आप सीधा सीधा क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लीजिए. बहुत ही बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. नाउ, a ball is thrown from a field with a speed of 20 meters per second at an angle of 37 with the horizontal. At what distance will it hit the field? See, again, there is a ball. I'm just drawing the axis. Suppose this is the ground and it is the vertical. We have taken it is vertical. ये मैंने horizontal माना है और ये vertical माना है. Okay. See, what does it say? It says us an object is thrown with 20 meters per second. An object is thrown with a speed of 20 meters per second in this direction at an angle of 37 degree. 20
इसका
मीटर.
मास नेग्लिजिबल मानना है.
इसका
बॉल का मास.
मास आप कुछ भी मान सकते हो बेटे. कोई भी मास हम मान सकते हैं. Mass will not affect the velocity. Okay, I will come to that point. And now see, this is the direction of velocity, and here acceleration is in downward direction, that is the gravitational acceleration, and that is z. It is minus 10 J cap meter per second square. Is it clear, bete? Is the acceleration clear? Is the acceleration clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What to do? Just we have to resolve the component of velocity, and velocity can be resolved